guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Corally Punisher 6S. What I'm doing today, I'm gonna bash this around. I'm running cement shell batteries. Also running these Fly Badlands MK38. Listen, I ain't had this out in a while. Just wanted to rip her up real quick. Nothing special. Got that bumper on there. I think it's a T-bone bumper right here, or a GPM bumper. Working with the light, the underglow. Can't really see it. I don't know if you can see that. Working with the underglows right there, flashing red if you can see it. You got the adjustable wing mount on there, which is clever. But I want to see, I already seen it. I hold out on these tires. I'm going to try it on some jumps. So let's get into it.
Ready.
Kind of figured it was going to grip. That's the thing about these tires. They do not slide, man. They grip. You got ease in the turns with this. These are more like off-road tires though, as you will see in a second. And the shocks is real loose. But let's go off-road. Even though everything nice and wet. Here go the wind. Yo, this thing is tearing the dirt up. This baseball field is raggedy. That's the only reason I'm in it. Yeah, these dips are real loose. Like it like that. Yo, this thing a pure beast, man. These tires do hold it down. Do hold it down. Oh. I don't understand why they made a little Punisher. They should have made the big Punisher. 6S. I would have jumped on that. I would have jumped all over that. They made a Punisher. 6S. All right, let's get into some jumps real quick before I kill this battery. Perfect. Oh yeah. Perfect. Yeah, you know I always start off easy. Yeah, man, I ought to do a video with the 3 Team Corally truggies. The thing about the Punisher, because I had the Punisher, the Kronos, and the Suga.
Perfect.
Come on, you can go do better than that, man. Keep doing the same kind of jump. Oh my God, all these nets. I'm a little scared to launch this because this ain't as durable as the Kagama.
Perfect.
I am not launching high at all, am I? Oh! Not too bad, oh no.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Yo. Already look like it's broken the back, is it? That's the good thing about how he got this wing. How he made the wings, he just put it back and it's off, but yeah, I ain't gonna jump no more. Yo, this thing is a beast. A little uncontrollable, a little bit. Yo, this thing a pure menace. I do need to run my all 3 of them. I think it work better with the factory tires. That's just me. These tires give it more pickup though, I give it that much. She overheated. Battery definitely not dead. That's the thing about Team Corally systems. They are great, but they overheat. She nice. Cooled off. The fan. What it was, the ESC got hot. I guess I better not chew that. These tires are good, but they only good off-road. If you don't, do this last little jump. I like this little jump down here, not near this tree. I can see a mistake. Make a stake.
Perfect.
Shit, that shit was flying right there.
Perfect.
Whoa. Yeah, them shots is too soft.
Yo, check this out.
Yeah, man, this held it down. I didn't break anything. Only thing happened, it overheated and the battery died. This is from the CNHL, just in case I didn't say it before, but I got a link below for these batteries, so where you can pick these batteries up. They're pretty good batteries. Yeah, I enjoyed this, man. I might pull out the Punisher, not Punisher. Yeah, the Punisher, the Chronos, and the Kagama. Team Corally, whole bash, truggy, buggy, whatever. Yeah, but as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.
Perfect.
Say something.